Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bifold door track is probably one of the most crucial components of a smooth operating bifold door, significantly impacting its functionality, longevity, and overall user experience, whether you are a homeowner looking to upgrade your interior or a contractor managing a large-scale project. Selecting the right track system is paramount to ensuring the doors glide effortlessly and maintain their structural integrity over time, and in this video, we will delve into the key factors to consider when choosing a bifold door track system, helping you make an informed decision that meets your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. Primeline N7534 Kit. This is the Primeline N7534 Bifold Door Hardware Repair Kit. It's designed to easily fix your broken bifold doors, restoring them to optimal performance. The kit includes top and bottom brackets, pivots, and a guide wheel. Everything you need for a complete repair is right here. It works with doors between 1 and 1 to 3/8 inches thick, up to 50 pounds. It's compatible with many brands, including Acme and Alliance. This kit makes repairing your bifold doors simple and straightforward. You'll be able to restore your closet doors quickly and easily. Primeline is committed to quality. It ensures your repairs look as good as new, providing a long-lasting solution. Before ordering, please check the included diagram to ensure it matches your door's dimensions. This will guarantee a perfect fit. What we like. It's sturdy, compatible with many brands, and handles doors up to 50 pounds. If you need a reliable fix for your existing bifold doors and want a kit that works with various brands, this is a great option. It's perfect for those needing a simple, effective repair solution without replacing the entire system. What people say. These are exactly what we needed and have made the job go so much faster. Not to mention our end results are so much better. It worked great and the kit was reasonably priced to fix the problem. It is better quality than the original hardware and the kit includes all the parts you would need. Number 4. National N343-715 Hardware. This complete set has everything you need for easy installation of your bifold doors. It's designed for a smooth, effortless operation. Installation is a breeze. No special tools or expertise are needed. You'll have your doors up and running in no time. It provides full access to your closet. Enjoy the convenience of easily accessing all your belongings. It's a surface mount design, so there's no mortising required. This makes installation even simpler and faster. It features 4-way adjustability for perfectly smooth operation. Get the ideal alignment for your doors. The hardware is cleverly concealed for a clean, polished look. It enhances the aesthetic appeal of your doors. What we like. This offers everything you need in one package, installs easily, and is adjustable for a perfect fit. If you're installing new bifold doors and want a hassle-free setup with smooth operation, this is the right choice. Its adjustability ensures a smooth, customized fit for your specific needs. What people say. Easy to install, fit perfectly where it needed to, and so far has been very sturdy. I was apprehensive about ordering a 6-foot-long track to be delivered, but it arrived in a sturdy double box and was in perfect shape. The hardware is good quality and as described. I am replacing a 28-year-old folding door track. This product's design is great and the instructions are clear. 28 years later, the improved parts are a lot easier to use. Number 3. National Hardware N343-731. This complete hardware set is designed for easy installation on your bifold doors. It's perfect for closets and other spaces where you need to save room. It's a 60-inch white set, so it'll match a variety of decors. The sleek white finish adds a touch of elegance to any room. Installation is a breeze because it's a surface mount design, no mortising is required. You can have it up and running in no time. This set gives you full access to your closet. It allows your doors to fold neatly out of the way. It features 4-way adjustability for smooth operation. This ensures a perfect fit and effortless movement every time. Installation is quick and easy. You'll be enjoying the convenience of your new bifold doors in minutes. What we like. It's designed for wider double doors and provides a complete, easy-to-install solution. If you have double bifold doors and need a reliable, user-friendly hardware set, this is ideal. The ease of installation makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. What people say. Easy to install, fit perfectly where it needed to, and so far has been very sturdy. I was apprehensive about ordering a 6-foot-long track to be delivered, but it arrived in a sturdy double box and was in perfect shape. The hardware is good quality and as described. I am replacing a 28-year-old folding door track. This product's design is great and the instructions are clear. 28 years later, the improved parts are a lot easier to use. Number 2. National N7534 Hardware. This complete hardware set makes installing bifold doors a breeze. It's perfect for closets or any space needing easy access. With its sleek white finish, it seamlessly blends with any decor. It's designed for doors between 7/8 and 1 to 3/8 inches thick. No complicated mortising is needed. This makes installation quick and easy, even for DIY enthusiasts. It allows your doors to fold neatly out of the way, providing full access to your closet or storage space. Enjoy the convenience. It features 4-way adjustability for smooth and effortless operation. Say goodbye to sticking or squeaking doors. It's designed for simple installation and smooth operation. It's the perfect solution for updating your closet doors. What we like. It's a complete kit for double doors, easy to install, and perfect for standard-sized openings. If you need a solution for double bifold doors in a standard-sized space, this is a great option. Its straightforward installation process is perfect for those who want a quick and easy fix. What people say. Easy to install, fit perfectly where it needed to, and so far has been very sturdy. I was apprehensive about ordering a 6-foot-long track to be delivered, but it arrived in a sturdy double box and was in perfect shape. The hardware is good quality and as described. I am replacing a 28-year-old folding door track. This product's design is great and the instructions are clear. 28 years later, the improved parts are a lot easier to use. Number 1. HELEMAN Bifold Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a smooth and easy repair. It's designed to quickly fix your bifold doors, saving you time and money. You'll receive 2 top metal pivots, 2 top plastic pivots, bottom pivots, guide wheels, brackets, fasteners, and an easy-to-follow instruction manual. Everything you need is in one convenient package. Installation is a breeze. Even if you've never done this before, the clear instructions make it simple. You'll have your doors working smoothly in no time. They're made from durable, long-lasting materials, stainless steel and nylon plastic. This ensures they'll withstand daily use and keep your doors operating smoothly for years to come. It's perfect for various doors, bifold, sliding, closet, barn, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your door repair needs. We stand behind our product with 24-hour customer service. If you have any questions or issues, we're here to help you. What we like. You get 2 complete kits, ensuring smooth operation, and it's built to last. If you need to repair multiple bifold doors or want a long-lasting, high-quality solution, this is the one for you. The 2-pack is perfect for those with multiple doors needing repair or replacement. What people say. The bifold door kit was easy to install, even for a novice. The doors fit well, glide smoothly, and look great. This hardware was stronger than what came with the bifold door originally. Now the door opens and closes smoothly. Needed to replace an old one and it fit perfect and worked great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.